Hello and welcome to Tutoring Success, ladies and gents. Today we are going to be looking at how to solve for x and y simultaneously. Honestly, guys, I feel like this is one of the easiest topics in paper 1. It doesn't matter either you're in grade 10, 11 or 12. This video applies to all of those grades. So let me show you how to get easy marks, guys. So before I begin, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Isaac and I am a civil engineer by trade and a part-time tutor by passion. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back, and don't forget to comment this time around. And if this is your first time in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and comment, and don't forget to like, guys. So let's get inside of the video. So in this example that I'm going to show you, there are some of the questions that you must ask yourself. So first thing of all, you must label the two equations that you are given. So I'm just going to label this one equation number 1, and the next one I'll label it as equation number 2. So the first question that you need to ask yourself is that which one of the two equations that I can use so that I can make x or y the subject of the formula. So you ask yourself this question, guys, if the equations that you are given, neither x or y is the subject of the formula. So in this case, both of the equations, they don't have x or y as the subject of the formula. So you have to ask yourself which one of these two equations that is more simple, that will not give us a fraction or cubes or exponents in order for us to make x or y the subject of the formula. So in this case, we can clearly see that equation number 1 is the one that is more simple because x has the coefficient of 1. So how do we make x the subject of the formula? We are simply going to transpose. So when 2x goes to the other side, is going to be negative 2y, So this is going to be our equation number 3. So the next question that you are going to ask yourself is that for me to create equation number 3, which equation did I use? So we used equation number 1. So we can't take equation number 3 and substitute it into equation number 1 because is the equation or is the genesis of equation number 3. So obviously we are going to say substitute equation number 3 into equation number 2 because we didn't create equation number 3 using equation number 2, right? So we are going to write equation number 2 as it is. So we have 2x minus 3y equals to negative 6. So equation number 3, guys, it simply states that wherever you see x, you need to substitute with 11 negative 2y or minus 2y. So in this case, we have 2x. So in the place of x, we are going to substitute with 11 negative 2y. Then we have negative 3y equals to negative 6. And then after this, we are going to simplify. How do we simplify? We take this 6, we multiply it by 11, this 2, and then we take that 2 again, we multiply it with a negative 2y. So after that, 2 multiplied by 11 is 22. 2 multiplied by negative 2y, it's going to be 4y. And then negative 3y is what we have on that equation, negative 6. So what I often do after this thing, guys, because we don't have a squared, we don't have y squared, so I'm going to group the numbers. So the like terms, they are going to be on the other side, and then the others will be on the other side. So I have negative 4y, negative 3y. So on the right hand side we have negative 6. When we transpose this, 22 is going to be negative, so it's negative 22, and then we add them since they are like terms. Negative 4 plus negative 3, it's going to be negative 7y, and then we have negative 28, and then since we are looking for y, not negative 7y, we are going to divide by negative 7 both sides, so that negative 7 can cancel negative 7, and then we are going to be having y is equals to I think it's 4. Then once you get your x or y, you are just going to substitute. In this case, we are substituting y is equals to 4 into it doesn't matter into which equation. So but I often encourage my students to substitute into equation number 3, because equation number 3 is the simplest equation. So equation number 3, it's simply going to give you the answer straight away. So this simply means that where you see y, you are going to substitute it with 4. So we are having 11 negative 2 multiplied by 4. So x is equals to 11 negative 8. So x is equals to 11 minus 8, it's going to be 3. So if they say they want them in coordinate form, you are going to say 3, since this is our x coordinate, 3 and 4. So hopefully I'm understandable, guys. If you are having a problem, don't forget to post your question on our comment section below. And if you made it to this point of this video, you should be already be a subscriber, guys. So however, I appreciate your patience, and please remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. So I'm going to post another video. It's going to be to appear on your screen right now, where I'm solving another simultaneous equation. So thanks.